Anybody have any questions in the audience you would like to ask the newly commentator,
Green,
the John Doerr, Abraham Freedom?
next man. Right?
Yes, on the back, Jesse. What is the best nation?
America.
Donation. Donation, Abraham.
Donation. There you go. Yeah.
Nation of donation. Yes.
There you go. It was here in 1997.
If you want to donate some money,
This nation was nation before.
or an IOU, or a beer, or a shot, or a joint of weed, a fucking bowl of weed, a bag of weed, you want to donate some biscuits to Tipsy, you go over to that Macho Man lunchbox, you put that shit in there.
Nation WrestleMania 13.
Macho lunchbox.
We'll bring
We will send the Macho lunchbox around for donations. So whoever's in charge of the Macho lunchbox, please send that around for donations. Terrence Howard putting over the Macho lunchbox, ready for donations. Bring it to him.
Why is Kid over there?
I agree.
You're in Street Fighter too.
I still have not seen the lunchbox go that way, but we will go on to the next match.
Where's the icebox?
This is your cutoff match.
We're done now.
Oh, we're done. You got a question? Put your hand up. Let's see what you got. What's the biggest, toughest piece of French toast I've ever seen? What? Biggest, toughest fight I've ever seen?
Biggest dumpster fire.
Biggest dumpster fire I've ever seen.
I've ever seen.
You've ever seen.
The final episode of Seinfeld.
Bam. Pow.
Am I wrong?
Is he wrong? I got some magic for you. If he's wrong,
And Freedom.
I will pull something out of my hat.
You got something in your head?
Oh, nothing there.
Oh shit, we're
He's
done.
right. We'll go on to the next match, which is a singles match scheduled for one fall.
Referee Spargo.
Referee Wiggles. Oh shit. Stoner U fans, you are in for a fucking prize tonight.
Goddamn.
Oh, let's give it up for DJ Shitty. DJ Shitty. I guess that's all we have here tonight. DJ Shitty. Hey Jesse, you want a DJ? Oh, we're going back to it. Here we go.
Oh no.
Also making her stoner way debut. From the dark hole. This is Nurse Ratchet. Abraham, if you haven't seen Nurse Ratchet, you're in for a fucking excitement tonight. It's going down. Some prizes out of the Yin Yang Big Bang. There it is. Pow, Nurse Ratchet.
Whoa. I mean, I'm feeling weird. I have like a shit my feet right now. I'm not sure I'm
Nurse Ratchet is fucking nuts. crack. There's people on the roof going. You can climb up a ladder, jump on that, jump on that. There's people on the roof. They're fucking looking at Nurse Ratchet right now saying, what the fuck?
I'm saying what the fuck right now.
What the fuck right now, indeed. Someone is in love. Nurse Ratchet. Legs closed.
I might be lust right now. I'm not sure right now.
Well, let's bring out Nurse Ratchet's opponent for the evening. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Abraham. Right now, if you have not seen this chick right here, you're in store, bro. No, dude, this shit's real. This is about to happen. We're about to have Nurse Ratchet against the crazy, psychotic, sexual asshole.
Wait.
GAZIM. Look at her, bro. She's into you. She's into you. Abraham, I think she's into you. Oh, dude. Alright, maybe you're into her.
That's a hot spot.
That is a hot spot. GAZIM is feeling it.
I was feeling it.
Hey, man, if anybody right now is a challenge for GAZIM, it's Nurse Ratchet. That's for damn sure. Look at GAZIM, freaking the couch. Whoever's on it.
Like the weirdest boner right now. It's like going sideways and then sideways and so like and then
Hey,
I don't know what to think right now.
I've had that boner before. Nurse Ratchet GAZIM boner.
Well, I've never experienced that. I'm pretty wild, you know.
Debut. Green. He's green. Nurse Ratchet gyrating all over the place. And GAZIM feeling herself. These fans don't know what to think. I don't know what to think. They have their hands in their pockets, but they're actually playing with their vaginas and pussies and dicks. I know for a fact, right now, everybody is feeling themselves because GAZIM versus Nurse Ratchet is going down, and it's going down right here.
Yeah.
That's Ratchet.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
This has never done necrophilia. Really excited about it.
She's excited. I talked to GAZIM in the back. I mean, I don't know if it was a talk or like a snuggle. It was weird. It was odd. You know, I told her to turn her bra upside down and have the triangles point down, but she went the other way. I'm like, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad.
You were talking about GAZIM and not Nurse Ratchet right now. Holy dog shit. What are we about to watch?
I have no clue what we're about to watch. Oh, man.
And I said right there, see that line right there?
That's the line.
I told you.
We're going to cross it. How?
This is the breaking point.
Ring the bell!
We're ringing the bell.
Hold up, I'm drinking.
Ring the bell!
Freedom.
GAZIM pinching at Nurse Ratchet's booty.
HLA!
Guys in the back, check down HLA. Come high. GAZIM struck right in her vaginal area and then came right to her fucking throat. Oh, Nurse Ratchet tries to pick her up.
I'm like recent.
Oh, GAZIM body slam.
Power.
He says, yeah.
I didn't think she'd be able to have that on the nurse. So really.
She is fun. Something. She's used to getting squirted though. Oh. Nurse going for body slam. Nope, not again. Not happening. Nurse going back to the fucking pail of doom. Hitting herself up. Oh, shit. She shot up to something.
No, who's in the juice?
Oh, man, gyrate. Big fucking body slam. Picks her up like she's a piece of shit. I mean, a sexy GAZIM piece of shit, but Nurse Ratchet is up.
This is Ratchet.
Fans chatting, this is Ratchet.
There's a reason why I put that line. Here we go.
GAZIM in the corner with a lopsided boot bra. Takes an elbow right to the breast.
Wait.
Nope, head scissor, maybe. Flips her. Flips for two. Nope, another one. Oh.
Puts her back in the corner.
GAZIM just flips in the corner. I think her titty fell down a little left more than the right.
Well, that's just like the gimmick.
GAZIM wiping off the. Oh shit, Nurse Ratchet. Ratchet creepy as shit. Go for that. Oh, smacking her.
What?
GAZIM, no. Nurse Ratchet. Oh, drop kick.
Okay, Cuzzy. There's got some weed. Give me that.
Yeah, I should probably do that. I mean, GAZIM is getting off. Maybe Nurse Ratchet is getting off. GAZIM. She got to 3, but her pigtails are swinging. Nurse Ratchet is flailing, and GAZIM is on her feet now. I don't know if she's liking it, or loving it.
I'm not sure either. I'm not sure she's screaming.
Oh, she loves it. She loves
Really?
chokes.
Okay, if she likes it, why are you going to DQ her for it?
I like it!
Yeah.
I like it!
I've seen GAZIM in former matches, and she loves getting choked. That's for goddamn sure.
So, Ref, are you really calling a match for this?
Referee Wiggles put his gloves on. Oh, man.
All right.
Oh, GAZIM getting freaky. I don't know if Nurse likes it, or she's just wiggling.
Ratchet doesn't.
This is professional wrestling.
Oh, GAZIM with the
Chopping the
titty
titties.
shot.
That was
That was a Foley, man. That was a Foley. Big splash from GAZIM. Working up that badge. Oh, another big humping. Oh, what? Oh, it's him. Shit. Thank you.
Hey, you gotta break that. Let's go. Break that. Go get him.
Here we go.
GAZIM's got that hug slash. Oh, this might be dangerous. This might be dangerous. Oh, maybe not.
No.
I think the nurse might like it slash hate it. Kicks out at 2.
Really is.
Oh, slap the ass of the
And
nurse.
watching this match, I'm learning there's a thinner line I never thought there was.
You know, the line gets thin sometimes, then it gets thick, then it goes back to thin. Hey, Ram.
This match is pushing my
Hashtag freedom, hashtag small thin line.
Hashtag Ike Turner.
Hashtag fuck ISIS.
Yeah, or maybe.
Hashtag fuck off.
You say Nurse Ratchet?
Hashtag Go Warriors. I don't know.
She says yes!
Did she say yes?
GAZIM telling the ref that she says yes.
If she says yes, it might not be like, no, I quit. It might be like,
I
yeah.
think it's just GAZIM saying yes.
Did she say that?
I don't know, but GAZIM's getting fucking hot and heavy right now. Big neck breaker on Nurse Ratchet.
Wrestling move!
We've seen it here
Comes out
tonight.
of 69, I bet.
2. Oh shit, what's going
I'm
on?
not complaining. I told you.
Nurse Ratchet gets picked up. Oh, this can't be good. Oh, I think GAZIM likes it. I think GAZIM likes it. If the nurse doesn't know what GAZIM is thinking.
I don't think the nurse
Oh, she gets stuffed in the corner for the tree to woe. GAZIM got something up her sleeve.
Here during this speech.
Oh, what? What? No way. Holy shit.
We're here to start you. That's all you can even see right there.
Damn. You know, if I was in the audience, I would start a little shit show.
Shut up, that ain't too much. Just, we got like 4 hours.
It's never too much and it's never too soon.
Come on, Miss Ratchet.
That's why I put that line.
You're my first hit, girl.
So far.
Oh, GAZIM taking a mouthful.
In theory.
Nurse Ratchet working her off. But GAZIM still got her up. Ratchet down. Back up. Oh, straight back down to the ground. Two count.
Take out the power. I'm going to watch this thing in later right now.
You can say heat all you want, but in reality, yeah, there's a lot of heat going on in this match.
She's stripping, but technically she really didn't take nothing off. Haha, I got you.
Technically she did.
Yeah, wait. Oh! Psychology!
Psychology.
Brilliant! Bondage! I see this.
Put her thong on the nurse. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh boy.
Her turn. What is she doing? What is going on? What is GAZIM thinking? Are they thinking role play switch?
Put him on a diaper.
There's blood on there.
Damn.
There's some huge period pants.
Oh, some huge period pants. I got you, Desi. Oh, Ratchet's got her by the throat.
Big goddamn.
Oh, big choke slam straight down to the panties that are periody. I mean, they're not periody, but they could be.
One really after
A
two.
one count. Dude, you know this, tonight, Abraham, this has been a night of one counts.
No, not a match.
And 2 counts.
Freedom.
Whip his ass, Ratchet.
Hit me! Hit me!
Wow. I think she wants to get pinned for like 50.
Wants to get pinned.
Yes!
GAZIM, you know, this has been the toughest match for GAZIM so far because Nurse Ratchet does not care. GAZIM likes to be dominated, but at the end of the night, she wants to be the dominant one. Nurse Ratchet grabbing the choke on GAZIM here. Oh, just lets her off. Just lets her off.
Nurse Ratchet just backed off.
I think Nurse Ratchet is scared of GAZIM.
That's
What the fuck? Wow.
Give it to her. Give it to her.
wow. That's like
You know,
Hogan losing the Warrior. That's 26.
it is.
Same thing.
It's like if Jimmy Wang Yang wasn't a cowboy. Oh, roll out, girl.
No.
2 count.
Choke her out.
Oh, GAZIM telling her to hit her harder, but she's hitting her harder.
This is different.
GAZIM's got them panties. Crossbody.
No.
Kicks out. I think she just wants to get pinned down.
Yeah, she wants to be on the ball.
What is going on? Oh, Ratchet down. Woo! got the bigger for? Shades of the naked nigger boy.
Give it a shot.
Shades of the Miz right here. Someone popped.
You're green. He's green. GAZIM gets turned around. Ratchet on top of that.
Ratchet
Reverse Miz.
reverse Miz.
Get her.
No reverse Miz.
Sorry, my commentating partner is green.
Green.
Now we're talking about the Miz for some reason.
Because America, it's freedom.
Fuck the fan.
We're screwed.
We're fucked. Big clothesline from GAZIM. Nurse Ratchet down. Let's see if GAZIM can take advantage.
What is that? Wait, that's a syringe thing.
It's crystal meth.
I mean, I hope she doesn't have crystal meth.
So if you use that T-virus for Resident Evil.
You know, I'm just gonna roll this blunt and call commentary, and what happens happens. What happens happens. Nurse Ratchet's in the corner. She said she missed the gimmick. What the fuck? What the fucking deed?
I've seen it all, but I've seen it all.
Oh, GAZIM. She's fucking the rope like it's a goddamn cock and fucking heat.
I mean, you can get that.
Rolls off, goes to the outside. Oh, goes to pick up the guy with the badge on the stone shirt.
Now it costs $5 to come here, and you goddamn you know what it is.
Shit on Terrence Howard.
Seriously, $5. Come here.
Nurse Ratchet has something up her sleeve, or
She don't have sleeves.
thigh,
She's fucking everyone in the crowd.
breast, or titty. And there you
And your winner by GAZIM fucking the crowd is Nurse Great match. I love it.
I loved it. I thought it was fucking amazing. Nurse Ratchet debut at fucking Stoner U right now. She is off her rocker, but GAZIM is also off her rocker. I don't think they're mad at all. I think they're gonna get together and fuck around afterwards. I don't think so either. I think these fans have no idea what just happened.
I told you where the line was.
The line was right here and it got crossed right now. GAZIM is thirsty, whether it be rum, whether it be whiskey, whether it be cum, whether it be Cisco. Either way, GAZIM is going home as a loser because Nurse Ratchet here tonight takes the win, takes the W. What a debut! Let's give it up for Nurse Ratchet.
Nurse Ratchet, another newcomer just like myself, new to the meeting because she showed up later. Very impressive.
Very impressive.
Undefeated. I don't want a lollipop.
Just take the lollipop, Dick. Goddamn. Nurse Ratchet doesn't like failure. Doesn't like no's. Only likes yeses.
True.
True. Fact. You can look at the fucking card, bro, but it's covered up by the weed I'm about to roll.
This is a shoot.
That's a shoot. Hey. Fucking hot dog, hip hop Harry's got merch. He's got buttons. He's gonna sell them shit like hotcakes. You go over to the barbecue over there. You fucking pull up the barbecue. You see hip hop Harry buttons, motherfuckers.
Simply put, follow Hip Hop Harry right now. I'm gonna go take a leak.
You take a leak. I'm gonna sit here and ask some questions. If anybody has a question in the audience, like fucking Abraham botching his goddamn gimmicks.
I should have had a wire there.
Let's talk about Abraham botching his gimmicks. Why the fuck did you drop the mic? It's his debut. He didn't know where the mic was.
You fucked up.
Yeah.
You fucked up.
You fucked up.
Hey, got over his fuck.
Shit,
Okay,
asshole.
you want to try again? Or try to get that over again?
Try to get that over again while Abraham goes to the bathroom, comes back, and we talk about how you try to get that over again.
And you drop your shit. Okay, I'm gonna take a piss.
You know, you take a piss, you take time, Abraham. No,